Do you know that you can actually listen to what someone said? Just type it exactly what he or she said and get paid. Do you know that? Have you ever heard of that? So I have the secret. I have the website that you can only listen, type it down, and get paid per hour, $40. This year we must make it. This year we must make it. The website claims you can earn monthly $2,000 per month as your salary. So it is hiring. I bet you to try it out. What you need, you just need your laptop. You are a good listener, right? You are a good writer, right? Come with me. Let me show you the secret. Start. As usual, my people, we're gonna look at this site on Google. Okay, this site is called TranscribeMe. The app is called TranscribeMe. So here is the site. TranscribeMe is an online digital transcription company that uses crowdsourced transcriptionists for around the world to transcribe your audio video files. So basically on this app you are going to listen to the audios and write the words. Okay, like let's say for instance people have done their meeting conference, and probably they want someone to listen and write what they have said in that conference. So that is the job of this site. Okay, so if you are a good listener, if you're a good writer, this app is for you. So this is the interface of the app basically, as you can see. All right, this is the interface. Okay, let me read a little bit here. I think up here, get the most accurate and affordable transcription of your audio and video through TranscribeMe, AI plus human empowered technical. So basically they have AI and human. Human is you looking for a job. All right, so basically let me talk on how you can be able to join this app. Okay, you just need to create your account. You need to just like 3 steps. Create your account, okay, connect, and make sure you have a PayPal account. Okay, make sure you have a PayPal account, because on this app they don't use any other pay method apart from PayPal account. So from there, after they will ask you but I want to just give you like small tips on step 3. Take the exams, take the entrance exams. So my tips is read every instruction carefully, use good quality headphones, because here it is all about listening. Okay, so practice listening to different English accents so that you can, don't miss words out or don't misspell words. That's the reason why I tell you that you need to listen to different accents. So pay close attention to pronunciation and spelling, very important. Always read and reread, okay, before submitting your work, like cross check properly before submitting your work. So that's the that's the only advice I can give you on when it comes to take entrance exam. That's what you have to do that exam. After that, you're gonna access every single job that it is on this side. They are very legit. They offer various jobs. Okay, so just make sure that. Okay, so after you create the account, you will access entrance into the site. So basically, let's look at the surface. So basically, here are the service they offer. Okay, starting from they pay starting from 0.7 per minute, and we have the one they pay 1.2 per minute, and we have $2 per minute. So just make sure that you read through it. And here AI data set service, they pay $2 per word. Okay, so it has a very big opportunities. And also on logging in, on the creating account, make sure that you put your local language, so that you will have more opportunities on the exam. Yes, that's what I know about this app, because I have done my research. Remember, this app can pay you up to $100 per day, as long as you are doing what is very much right. You are working hard. Trust me, you gonna get very good amount of money. But also, just to tell you, just for your information, just know that your earnings depends on factors such as the amount of work available, you are typing, okay, you are typing projects that you are qualified, okay, like the work that the app have given you or the site have given you. So also it depends on that one, it depends on that earnings. And also always check the latest payment information and policies on the official website. Okay, yeah, that's how payment can vary, but the sure thing is they really pay. It have been here for years. These have been long online online money earning side. So if you truly want to try it out. It's very nice. It's very nice, and it's very legit. If we are looking for something that is legit, is very legit. And also it is easy for a stay-home mom. It also attracts like students, because yeah, for that passive income, and also for anyone else who is looking for that side hustle. So yeah, so this is all about the app. It has a lot to offer. It has a lot to offer, but I'm using my phone. This app should be accessed using a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, then you really need a laptop and a very good internet connection. So my findings, is this site worth it? So to me, TranscribeMe can be a good